Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. There's something about string lights that make every day feel like a special occasion. These solar string lights from OOOLED are a great way to add a little bit of accent lighting to your outdoor space. I absolutely love these. So I got the 100-foot string. It does come in a variety of sizes, and you can get these in a plug-in version or solar. I got the solar version, and it has been absolutely awesome. It comes with a clip or a stake, so you can either clip it onto a deck or patio, or you can put it into the ground to secure it. And it does come with a little USB charging cable, so you can use these indoors as well. It comes with a couple extra bulbs and everything you need to set this up, including a remote. The remote allows you to turn the lights off and on very easily. It also gives you the ability to change the settings to flashing or to a breathe setting, which just offers sort of a flicker and a really nice ambiance. It also allows you to adjust the brightness of the lights and even put them on timers. I just absolutely love how they illuminate the area around my pool and offer that beautiful glow. I love the vintage vibe of these Edison style bulbs and the fact that they are UV resistant, waterproof, snowproof, and shatterproof, making them perfect for outdoor spaces. I love that these lights are powered by solar energy and that they make my space feel so much more special. So I've been so happy with these string lights. I think they are an awesome addition to my pool deck, and that's my point of view.